Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is October the 4th, 2019, and they're calling for frost tonight, so we're getting our pumpkins off. We already got them out of the hollow garden. This is the other garden that we're going to be harvesting them out of. We got peppers out of the hollow garden that we're turning. We're going to cover the rest of the peppers with a frost cover to try and keep them going a little bit longer. We picked the rest of the tomatoes and the last patty pan squash. So I'm going to show you here how to harvest these pumpkins. So we'll be right back. Okay, so you can see the beautiful color this one has to it. It has a nice orangish color to it. So I'm going to be cutting this one off, and I recommend using a pruners. And we do leave some of the stem on it. Get rid of the junk there. These are our Pennsylvania Dutch heirloom Crockneck pumpkins. There we go. There's one off. So we got more to do. It's really starting to cool down. So we're going to finish harvesting these, and I'll come back and I'll show you what we got here. So we'll be right back. Okay, so this is a wagon full of pumpkins here, and we also had gotten some off a little earlier. So very pleased with the harvest this year for them, and I'm going to be picking the biggest ones to save the seeds out of. Now we stored these in the basement. You want to keep them out of away from frost, so we stored these in the basement. And this is one of our favorite pumpkins to use for any pumpkin related dish or baking. And these are ones that have been passed down through our family. So I definitely want to keep the strain going. So I'll show you what else we got out of the gardens. So we'll be right back. And these are the peppers from the hollow garden. Now there are very few tomatoes on the bottom. Some of the plants did try and come back from the late blight, but last night, with as cold as it was, I'm pretty sure it took everything out down there that wasn't covered, because we had a frost here and it gets a lot colder in the hollow garden. So this is the tomatoes that we harvested off. Now we did get a frost for sure. The one vehicle had ice on it, so I'm glad that we got off what we could get off, and we did cover the lettuce bin and the bok choy with a frost cover. And I know down in the hollow garden we covered the peppers that we could with the frost cover that we have. So I'm not sure how they did. I know it got a lot colder down there. I think it was like 32 degrees this morning. So, and then we also had a wind chill. So it got pretty cold. So I just wanted to show you how to harvest the crookneck pumpkins. And then I wanted to show you what we got out of the gardens before the frost hit. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.